AutoDS versus CJ Dropshipping. Which is best for you? Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be diving in deep between two of the most popular dropshipping platforms, AutoDS and CJ Dropshipping. Whether you're a seasoned e-commerce entrepreneur or you're just starting out, choosing the right platform can make or break your business. So let's compare these two giants and help you decide which one suits you. So let's start with a quick overview of each platform. First, we're going to be discussing some of their primary features. Then I'm going to show you guys how well they integrate with other platforms. So we're going to do a Shopify installation of both and a comparison in detail. Starting off with AutoDS. AutoDS is an all-in-one dropshipping platform that focuses on streamlining operations like product sourcing, pricing, and order fulfillment. It integrates seamlessly with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay, making it a favorite for automation enthusiasts. Now, CJ Dropshipping, on the other hand, is a comprehensive product sourcing platform with global warehouses. It specializes in fast shipping, private labeling, and customization options, making it ideal for those who are wanting to build a unique brand identity. Now, let's go into a feature comparison and let's take a look at AutoDS. AutoDS, when it comes to some of its primary features, you're going to see things like automation, AI tools, supplier networks, and analytics. Partners like AliExpress and Amazon are going to be present on AutoDS for a diverse option of product sourcing. You have advanced analytics and automated importing of price updates and order fulfillment to save your time. We also have AI-powered product research and dynamic price optimization. Now, in terms of CJ Dropshipping, what are some of the highlights of this particular platform? Well, when it comes to CJ Dropshipping, you're going to see global warehouses in US, UK, Germany, Australia, and more for a faster, quick delivery time where the products reach the customers quickly. They provide private labeling, branded packaging, and print-on-demand services. And they also allow unlimited sourcing requests and even sources for products that are not listed on their website. And it is free to start, there are no subscription costs, and charges are based upon service fees per order. Now, when it comes to their pricing model, CJ Dropshipping is free to start with no subscription fee. Instead, they're going to charge you as the service is provided, which can depend varying on the type of item and the shipping destination. Whereas if I was to compare this to AutoDS, AutoDS has a subscription model starting at $12.90 per month for the basic plans, and then it goes up to $40 depending on the type of platform you are integrating as well. So currently you guys can see this is monthly billing for $26.90. However, if you go with their annual plans, you save 25% and you can get it for $19. And you can see Amazon is far more expensive than the other platforms simply because Amazon does cost more generally as a business to run. So you can also get started for a $1 free trial, not a free trial, but a $1 trial for your first month. Now, moving on into our next pro and con list, which is going to be one of the really basic and integral things that you're going to look at when it comes to making your decision. AutoDS is excellent for automation, AI, advanced analytics, and e-commerce platforms such as Amazon, eBay, and multiple platforms. But it relies on third-party suppliers, and this can lead to longer shipping times and lower product quality, and it requires a subscription fee. Now, CJ Dropshipping, what I love about this is that they have faster shipping due to their global warehouses. It's free to start and ideal for private labeling options. However, it can feel overwhelming for beginners because it has extensive features, and service fees per order can reduce your profit margins over time. So, which one should you choose? Well, AutoDS is right if you prioritize optimization and you want to save time on repetitive tasks, whereas CJ Dropshipping is for those that are trying to give their customers the best experience as the quickest option, and you have a pay-as-you-go model without any upfront costs. Now, if I was to directly compare this to Shopify and integration in Shopify, if I go into the Shopify App Store, both of these platforms have their own Shopify applications. And I'm using Shopify as an example because most people are using Shopify as their primary source of starting out their business. You can get started with both of these platforms like this, and then just download these two applications. You can click on install. And I'm just going to install both of these applications simultaneously. They honestly take the same amount of time when it comes to setting these applications up. Then you need to create an account on both of these platforms. So I'm going to authorize my CJ Dropshipping account. Setting up your account is free. I have already signed up before, so I have this application ready to install. Then when it comes to AutoDS, again, you're just going to add this to your Shopify store. And then you can pin this to your left for easier access. And now you guys can see this is the AutoDS application. And you guys can see my email has already been registered. I'm just going to log into AutoDS for a quick sign up. And we're just going to click on login on this email like so. And once I do that, we're just, okay, so my account has been linked onto my Google account. So we're just going to log in. And in the meanwhile, you guys can see this is my CJ Dropshipping account that has been linked. I can go into my products to view all of my products that I have on my store. Then I can integrate other products as well. So these are the products I've added in my shortlist in the past. I can go into find products and I can easily search for any type of product. They have a very large directory of products. Now I am going to, when you begin to use it, app spending limit will be charged based on that for 30 days, blah, 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 this usage like so. And then once you do that, this is your AutoDS application. Now, AutoDS has a more sourced or has a more specific type of directory of products rather than CJ Dropshipping, which has this huge, gigantic library of products which you can explore. Now, first, this is a pro and a con because CJ Dropshipping is kind of functioning like AliExpress or Alibaba, where it has so many different products. But with AutoDS, you know the winning products. You know these products are performing well. That is why they are curated for you. They are curated in a specific list, which can help you in ensuring successful products. But those products may be widely available on other stores as well because they are tried and tested products, which a lot of people might be using. So, in conclusion, both AutoDS and CJ Dropshipping have unique strengths tailored to different types of dropshippers. If automation is your priority, AutoDS is the way to go. But if you're looking for branding opportunities, CJ Dropshipping might be the best for you. Thank you for joining us today. And which platform do you think suits your business the best? Let us know in the comment box down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce insights.